Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with news that a security guard from Beryllium who was injured when gunmen attacked his team while servicing an automated banking machine ABM in Albion, St. Thomas today is still in hospital. It's reported that the guard was wearing his bulletproof vest. The police say the robbers were not successful in getting any cash as the guards fought back when they came under attack. Kirk Wright has the details.
Saturday's attack on Beryllium security guards servicing an automated telemachine ATM at a service station in Albion, St. Thomas is the fourth such attack in recent times. And immediately after Saturday's incident, social media exploded with images of what transpired. This video captured a portion of the daring attack, showing men with high-powered weapons firing randomly. Spent shells from the high-powered weapons the robbers fired littered the scene. Another video shows a woman comforting the injured Beryllium guard, while others were busy capturing images of the damage done to persons and vehicles during the attack.
Low knockings just a little while again out of my side. Man, low and shelling again.
The police say the Nissan AD wagon the men seen entering here was found abandoned and blood and spent casings found inside. Another vehicle, a Subaru G4 the gunmen used in the attack, was also found crashed. The police say they gave chase and a shootout happened between themselves and the gunmen. The Subaru's windshield bore bullet holes. This latest attack bears similarities to previous attacks on Beryllium armored vehicles, with security guards targeted with cash in hand. High-powered weapons, mainly M16 rifles, have been used in all the attacks. Recently, the police commissioner said plans that they have put in place by the police and the Beryllium team should be able to combat future attacks on would-be robbers. However, two such attacks have happened since. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.